Okay, so the good news is this double bubble ponytail is super easy once you make the ponytails. The bad news is, girl, you gotta make the ponytails. So you'll need 1 pack of pre-stretched braiding hair for this. I'm using color 2T1B27. All right, so you wanna start by putting your own hair in 1 high bun and 1 low bun. Now grab the pre-stretched braiding hair. How much you use for each of the ponytails depends on how big you want the bubbles to be, but keep in mind that you're doing 2 stacked on top of each other, so in my opinion, you don't want them to be too big. So I'm using about half a pack for each one. Okay, grab an elastic, make what I call your little elastic taco, and then pull 1 loop through the other one so the hair is attached to the elastic. Now take a different elastic and cut it. Tie it around super, super tight with a triple knot and cut the knot. The lower you put this elastic, the bigger the bubble is going to be. The higher up the elastic, the smaller the bubble is going to be. Pull at the sides and the front until you have a nice, cute little bubble shape. Then you're going to grab a piece from the side, wrap it around once, and use your fingers to pull that tail through. Make sure that the knot of this also falls in the back, because that's going to be your ugly side. And just repeat that all the way down. When you get to the last one, use a crochet hook to pull the tail of the wrap hair underneath the rubber band. Otherwise it'll unravel. All right, then you want to attach them upside down, so make sure the back, the ugly side, is facing up, so when you flip it over, it's the underside. Then pin the bubble to your bun, so it should fit over your bun like a little cap. Repeat that with the top, and you're done.